Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Divine Cosmic Energy, its omnipresence and transformative potential for humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, across the infinite expanse of the universe flows an all-encompassing force, divine cosmic energy, invisible yet ever present. It weaves silently through galaxies, sustains planetary systems, and permeates all forms of life. It is not merely energy in motion, but an intelligent, orchestrated flow that transcends randomness. Both ancient wisdom and modern science increasingly recognize this force as not accidental but essential, a profound presence shaping the universe and humanity alike. The origin of divine cosmic energy traces back to the primordial pulse of creation, an eternal burst from which space, time, matter, and consciousness emerged. In its measurable aspects, it manifests through photons, gravitational waves, electromagnetic fields, and quantum particles. Yet, beyond these physical forms exists a spectrum of subtler, largely unknown energies, those which modern science has only begun to detect, but which ancient civilizations deeply reveled. As it journeys across the cosmos, this energy engages in constant interaction, entwining with solar radiation, aligning with planetary magnetospheres, and being subtly modulated by the architecture of celestial bodies. Upon reaching Earth, it is filtered through layers such as the Van Allen belts, ionospheres, and geomagnetic field before becoming accessible to terrestrial life in calibrated forms. Earth's own Schumann resonance, a natural electromagnetic frequency, serves as a cosmic tuning fork, allowing biological systems to synchronize with universal rhythms. Ancient cultures intuitively understood this. In Vedic philosophy, this energy is known as prana, the breath of the cosmos. In Chinese tradition, qi. In Greek thought, ether. Sacred sites across civilizations from Egypt to Mesoamerica were not random constructions, but were cosmically aligned to harness and transmit this energy. The fusion of astronomy, geometry, and spirituality in these cultures was a testament to their grasp of cosmic flow. Today, emerging sciences such as cosmobiology, biophysics, and neuroenergetics provide striking correlations. Neurological and physiological research increasingly suggests that the human system is designed to interface with cosmic energies. The pineal gland, often described as the third eye, is sensitive to both light and magnetism and is increasingly regarded as a cosmic antenna, a transducer capable of receiving, translating, and perhaps even radiating subtle environmental energies. Biophotons, ultra-weak light emitted by living cells, are believed to form an internal light-based communication system, hinting at a deeper intelligence at play. Moreover, emotional and mental states generate distinct electromagnetic signatures, shaping the personal energy field. This reveals the human being not merely a passive receiver, but as a resonant vessel, dynamically attuned to and capable of influencing the cosmic fabric. What's the way forward? Harnessing this energy consciously enables the generation of extraordinary inner power, physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual awakening, and aspirational vision. Through practices such as meditation, breath work, solar alignment, and living in harmony with nature's cycles, individuals can elevate their energy signature. When this cultivated energy is directed toward purpose, compassion, and creativity, it not only transforms the individual but also becomes a force of evolution within the collective field. Earth then ceases to be merely a physical habitat and becomes a sacred platform, a living sanctuary where cosmic energy finds expression through awakened consciousness. Such alignment offers the promise of sustaining a higher order of civilization, one grounded in peace, unity, and reverence for life. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, divine cosmic energy is not a distant phenomena. It is a living stream of intelligence flowing through every breath, thought, and heartbeat. It calls for no belief, only awareness, alignment, and action. In responding consciously, humanity becomes a co-creator within the vast cosmic symphony. As the Bhagavad Gita so beautifully reminds, by worship of the source of all beings, through the performance of one's own natural duty, a person attains perfection. In aligning action with essence and inner energy with universal order, a future unfolds where earth is not merely inhabited but hallowed, not only lived upon but luminously lived through. In such sacred participation, generations to come may inherit a world attuned not to survival but to celestial harmony. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.